Hello and welcome to Neil Cawthorn's accident repair shop in March, Cambridgeshire. This is where I've taken my MGB body to be straightened. The jig they're using is the one here that's a specific jig for many cars, but it has the clamps that are fitted at the moment to it. The brackets there are all for an MGB. So at the back there, that's where the back of the chassis went on the two. I think the two eyes there suit where the bumper fits to the rear of the car. You've also got the front parts there for the cross member, and at the front there are two stands missing that the chassis legs would have attached to. Looking at the front of the car here, you can see where the repair's been done on the front chassis leg. They've managed to pull that area straight, and then what they've had to do is cut a little hole on the opposite side in the engine bay, which has allowed them to sort of push that leg back to being straight again, and then they just sort of cleaned it up. On the inside there, you can just see where that little hole has been. So I think we've managed to get this the leg nice and straight again. There's going to be a bit of work to do still on the bodywork down the side of the car here. It's still a little bit on the messy side, as you can see. So we've got the door to repair, and also the rear wing as well. I've got a complete lower wing to go onto that, so we'll cut that metal out and replace that fully. You can see here the back axle that just had to be dropped off the car in order to get the tub part onto the jig. Very easy to take it on and off. It's only sort of 3 bolts front and rear, and then just disconnecting the brake lines and the prop shaft there as well. And then round here we've got the front cross member that all came off fully assembled. Just the brake lines disconnected, so that should all drop back in nice and easily. And we've confirmed now that the front of the car is straight. So that's sort of a big load off my mind. So I'm very pleased that after being at Neil's here for a sort of a week or so, we're sort of back on target. We'll get the car back over to Lone Pine today, and then we'll be working on the bodywork. So hopefully another sort of 2 weeks time we should have a car back up and running. I'm going to cover some details of the repair at Lone Pine as we do it, but hopefully you'll join me again soon. Many thanks. Bye.